Let's break down the anatomy of a book talk. Remember the acronym HEAT. It stands for hook, energy, audience, and time. My hook was that I didn't actually love this book, and that's okay. Sometimes we read things that we don't like, but really I did enjoy the experience. I just hated the characters, and the story made me angry, but the storytelling was really good. The second thing was energy. I tried to bring my feelings to life. I considered my audience, which is teenagers who sometimes don't think they have anything to say. And then finally, time. I kept it really short. So remember this acronym HEAT when you're doing your book talk. And remember, you don't have to talk too much about the plot, and you should never give away any spoilers. Hope this helps.